Alright, Todd back again with hunting tools. Now, this brand I've been real impressed with. We got a couple products here. I needed my own personal oil filter wrenches instead of using Dad's. And so I got one size, and guess what? It was it was too big. So there we go. Got a 3 1/4 to 3 7/8. Too big, but hey, I got it now. I think honestly, these are a good quality tool. I forget the prices. I think we're in the $10 range for these, maybe a little bit under. But the biggest thing I think that catches my eye, they are good quality. I like them. They got a nice spring to them. They seem to, they're doing the job well. But I think it's that teal, that bluey color, that's really the biggest takeaway for me. So these are Duratech oil filter wrenches. It's got nice handles, very nice and grippy. Got a good feel to it, good solid. You're not going to slip off of that, even with warm, hot oil, maybe boiling oil. But so far, it seems like it's going to be a really great tool, and that's the standard size that I'd be using on, GM LS motors, etc. This might be more of your. I know my old Firebird, a 96 Firebird Trans Am would have been this size of filter, and a lot of your maybe more diesel trucks and Dodge Caravans have a very large filter, so this would be more applicable in this. But so far, impressed with this Duratech, and you'll see more of them in the future, and I'd be more inclined to buy them. They seem to be a very good product, but honestly, it's that blue doing it for me. So, alright, see you next time.